You know what's great and kind of wrong, but like really smart? Tricking your kids into thinking that an acai bowl is a yummy new dessert. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious tropical acai bowl recipe that you can feel good about and the kids can make however they want. So we're gonna start with our acai. You could find these in the freezer section, and they usually come in these little packets. We're gonna add these right to our blender. It has the flavor of blackberries and dark chocolate. It comes from South America. I'm finding it much easier to find in the grocery store today. I'm gonna add some frozen banana, kind of up the sweetness a little bit. I'm also gonna add some frozen pineapple. If you can't find pineapple, you can do frozen mango, blackberries, blueberries. You can use any frozen fruits that you may have on hand. To this, we're gonna add our Thai kitchen coconut milk. So to this, last thing we're gonna add is a little burst of flavor with some McCormick extract. And I'm using vanilla today. With all of these ingredients in the blender, we're going to blend, and here we go. Start a little low, maybe, there we go. All right, guys, this is the texture we're looking for. It's like a smoothie, but thicker, and we can eat it with a spoon. So here we go. Look how beautiful, yummy. All right, so now that we have our acai bowl, we're gonna top it with whatever fruits you want. Today, I'm gonna use some strawberries, be a nice little line of strawberries, do some coconut. There we go, maybe some chia, they add great crunch. Pistachios, you can use any nuts. You can use almonds, you can use walnuts. They all work. You want that variation in texture, it really kind of brings the bowl together. So we'll do some banana. Sometimes if you match the fruits that you put actually in the blender, the flavors will come out even better. And some blueberries. Here we go. Oh my gosh, you guys, look how beautiful this is. It's got some vibrant red strawberries, banana, we got coconut. I gotta take a picture. This is something I need to share. This is fantastic. Look at that, how awesome is that? It's amazing. Okay, I have to go in and get a taste. Let me try it. I'm going in for a pistachio because I like that crunch. Oh my God, it's so delicious. It's really, really good. Interesting enough, my oldest son loves these. He won't even share his. My youngest never liked them. So here's a little tip. Throw the acai mixture in the freezer and make pops. So either in a bowl or frozen on a stick, you have something for everyone. And now my youngest absolutely loves it. This treat is something the whole family can enjoy. Check out this episode plus all the other episodes in the Flavor Maker app. There's all sorts of great features in here. You can create digital spice rack, discover amazing recipes, create shopping lists, and find tons of inspiration. Check it out in the App Store or at flavormakerapp.com.